Hey guys, we received this Me More Cool Kids Couch Sofa Building things for test and try. So this comes in a nice box with the vacuum compressed thing. So let me just open this up and give it some time to regain the shape so that I can show you and things. So this is basically a different shape and size form puzzle, so the kids can make their own shapes or the different shapes they want. So and they have the Velcro on the side, so you can stick it like this, so it can hold up that particular design. So it's good for the kids, and these stars are actually glowing stars in the night. So it's a really nice design for the kids. I will show you the demo of everything. So you see, like, the cushion itself is good, but I will give it some time. So it's a zipper, so you can take this out and wash and then put it back. So very nice, premium quality foam inside, and then on the side also it's a good Velcro. So the Velcro design is good to stick in, or see, like, just stick to each other and make the different shapes and size. So let me just give it some time to regain. So once it's regained the shape, so now you can see, like, the Velcro, the side, the high quality foam here, and then you can make it in a different shape. Like, you can just use it as a mat, you can make it in a different shape and size. So this is basically total of the 39.3 inches, and 39.3, so it's like a square with a 3-inch thickness. So I'm just putting on the bed so I can show the whole completely. You can see you can make all the different shapes. The kids feels really fun in joining it together with this Velcro and the shape. So he's just trying to think what shape he can make, and then take this out and joining together, jumping and having fun with it. So it's a really nice thing for the kids to play and have fun or use their own creativity. And you can also use that, you know, the different shapes and the designs. So it's like a puzzle that you can do with these different shapes and then play with the form and the mat. So it's a good high density form, and yeah, so you can see, like, you can sleep, you can jump, it's all good. And then we can just enhance your things or the design. So I like the quality itself of the foam, and as I said, there's a 3-inch thickness and around 39.3 inches in square. So basically a good size for the foam and then to make the stuff. So there are different shapes, like the triangles, like, big triangles, small triangles. So you can just join together and have some fun with these different shapes and size. And I said zipper is good, like now the shape is all regained. So you can just wash this if you want to, or if they are dirty, and then put it back. So very nice, careful design for the kids, keeping in mind everything and the easy and whatever stuff. And then the Velcro, if it's just like this, you can just release it and then use it together. And these stars are the glowing stars. I will show you a little later on. So I have to put it in the light for some time, and then in the dark, they will glow. So Velcro is also the nice one. You can see both side all together in one side. So this will just have to be careful while sticking together. So the soft side and the other side, and the soft cloth on the top as well. See, in the night, you see, like, the glowing stars, and this gives a really nice ambient thing for the kids to enjoy. Even in the night, it's really feels like a good sky one on the mat and good for the kids to play and have fun. So this is really a fun thing for my kids, and hopefully this is very helpful and fun things for you as well.